to show you that how to fix disable direct messages preview on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Firstly, you have to open the TikTok app, move to the profile, click on the three lines which appear at right top corner. Click on settings and privacy here. Click on notifications here. You can see if it is direct message preview is disabled, you can see it is not being turning it on and turning it off. How you can fix this? By changing this direct message preview, firstly you have to check that your direct message is being turned on or not. If you turn on the direct message, then automatically your direct message preview will be start to be able. Thank you so much. In this way you can fix this problem. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.